yeah, we were picking again, and he said, I'm having a bad day. I said, why are you having a bad day? He said, because I saw a caterpillar egg. He said, well, I said, well, you didn't see no caterpillar, did you? He said, no, I didn't see no caterpillar, but if you see the egg, then the caterpillar got to be close by because the acorn don't fall far from the tree. And he said, well, besides that, what came first, the caterpillar or the egg? I said, oh, you heard that before about the chicken. He said, yeah, but I'm having a bad day when I see all that stuff. I said, well, why don't you just make up your mind to have a good day? He said, well, I'm trying to, but, I'm having a bad day. How you going to change it? If you're having a bad day, you're having a bad day. I said, well, you can just say to yourself, I'm having a good day, but I'm having a bad day. I'm going to lie to myself if I know I'm telling the truth when I'm lying. He said, you mean? He said, yeah, I think so. So I said, well, this is what you need to do. Just always remember, things turn out the best for people who make the best of the way things turn out. He said, I don't think I can remember that. I said, I'll write it down for you. He said, okay, give it to me after a while. I said, bye.